Artificial intelligence is changing lives, but what if it endangers them too? Tonight, anchor Lindsay Littman concludes our four-part series on AI with the final chat and how it impacts mental health. We want to warn you, this discussion about suicide may be upsetting to some viewers.
ChatGPT has revolutionized the world, but can it go too far? In a lawsuit filed by the family of a Texas A&M graduate who died by suicide in 2025, claims it's not intelligence, it's artificial evil, after their son, Zane Shamblin, entered into a final chat where he shared suicide ideation. Attorneys say the 4-hour death chat with ChatGPT romanticized his despair. Zane Shamblin was 23 years old.
That grief is so complex.
Catherine Clendenin is the loss team coordinator at the Heart of Texas Behavioral Health Network.
Our hotline, even our warm line, it's there to be able to offer that unconditional positive regard of the person behind those words. And you can't program a computer to do that. You can't have somebody be empathetic the way that we do in a computer. It's just, they don't have the brain that we do to be able to do that.
OpenAI is facing multiple lawsuits because of the mental health effects of AI. The latest version has made changes as well to how it interacts with the user.
Because literally their entire job is how fast can we change this? How fast can we do this? Because with ChatGPT, when some of these people first started experiencing the suicide ideation and escalating to where some people were dying because it had that glorification, they didn't have that safety measure. Well, after some of those lawsuits started coming in, they actually put in there where now 988, it says, do you need help? Call 988. The problem with AI is you can tell it to stop. And that's the biggest issue with AI is it's trained to do what you tell it to do.
Awareness that emotional reliance on AI can be a danger to children and teens is something advocates say needs to be included in the mental health conversation.
To feel like you have a friendship and something that you're essentially guiding the responses for with the way you're asking questions and the questions that you're asking. You can get an answer that you're looking for in that way. And sometimes the people you care about may give you a harder reality, and that can be scary to face sometimes.
Resources for parents surrounding AI usage among children include age-appropriate settings, teaching critical thinking skills, setting clear boundaries, and monitoring for emotional over-reliance, as well as discussing what's real versus what's not with your children. And always keep communication open.
We are there to help build resilience, coping skills, help them find their joy, to combat, ever going the direction of substances. Find something that really brings you passion. Find the one adult that you can be completely, blatantly honest with and just pour it all out to them.
The family of Zane Shamblin discovered his chat log too late, but they hope Zane's story will help others.
Now, after previous cases, OpenAI pledged to improve safety protections for people in mental distress. Another AI company that has been sued in a similar lawsuit said its chatbots are protected by the First Amendment.